It's not a scarf. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today is going to be an Hermes unboxing. Nowadays when I go shop at Hermes, I don't like to have the orange bag anymore, especially if I'm going to walk around, going to other places. This one is a super exciting unboxing. I wasn't sure if I should do an unboxing, but I didn't necessarily see a lot of videos with this shoe. I thought I would come in here and do a little unboxing just in case if you guys have been thinking about them, perhaps you can add them to your list. So not gonna make this intro long, let's get into it. But before, I'm pretty sure you want to know what I'm wearing. This is this Frankie Shop oversized blazer in the desert taupe. It always comes back in stock. You just have to add to be notified and you'll know when it comes back. This little tank is from H&M. My lips, I have Savage by the Lip Bar. You guys know I've been using this color for the last 3 years. I love it. These are knit pants from St. Agni. I found them on Farfetch. You guys know I love the orange sandals from Hermes. They're like one of my, let me take the box out. I've already unboxed it, obviously. I love my Hermes orange sandals, but this time around, I've been thinking of something a little bit more edgy. I do love the dad sandals. I've been thinking of like the perfect one. My thing is, I love to have my toes out until I can no longer. I know some people love to get into boots as soon as September starts. You will never catch me in some boots in September. I'm gonna have my toes out until I can no longer keep them out. In the fall time, I like to have a nice cool sandal to wear, especially now with my edgy outfits. I don't necessarily have anything like that. I've been seeing these around from the beginning of the year and I thought maybe I wasn't sure I could pull them off, but it wasn't until last month and when I saw it style in person, I was just like, oh my god, these are just so freaking chic. They are amazing. So let's get into this unboxing. These are the Hermes cheap, it sounded cheap, Chypre sandals. Yeah, these are the Chypre sandals. As you can see over here, I am obsessed. I wore them yesterday to run errands, and when I tell you I'm obsessed, I am obsessed. I mean, look at these dad sandals. This is what I imagine Jesus would wear back in the days walking around. These are just so freaking cool. Honestly, if you had told me last year I would ever be into some shoes like that, I would probably slap you. I never thought that I would be into these, but these are stunning. If you know anything about these shoes, it's kind of like close to impossible to find them. Most people that I know ended up getting the ones in the men's size because they cannot find the women ones. They're like so hard to find. But I have the best essay now at Hermes. Like, he is the absolute best. I had a picture of these sandals on my phone for the past month, for the past 2 months actually. In July, that's when I had the revelation. I wanted these shoes. And then I had a picture on my phone. So when I went to the store, they merged the stores now. It's all in one and they have bags, everything on display. It is so cute. The store is so beautiful. Or text me or whatever and then I will have the shoes for you. I've been looking for his card, could not find it. Then just like randomly last week, I found his phone number. It was like right in front of me this entire time and I could not find it. Found the phone number. And then I texted him and I'm just like, oh, we spoke last month. I finally found your card and I would love to know if you have these. I would love to stop by and get them in a size 36 and a half. And then she was like, oh wow, we just sold a lot of these, but I do have them. It's like, I'm actually holding them in that size for you. Just come by. And then I'm just like, oh my goodness, perfect. I'll be there soon. Flagged my taxi and went to the store. When I got there, 36 and a half was not available and he had the 36 for me, but he's like, I have the 36. I'm like, okay, I'll try the 36. Turns out they weren't true to size. I've watched one other girl, she said that she had to get a full size or a full size and a half because they weren't small. In my experience, these weren't true to size. If I had gotten the 36 and a half, it would have been way too big for my feet. These are the Chypre sandals, as you can see, or dad sandals. They have a rubber sole and then that smooth leather. The thing I love about Hermes smooth leather is that it doesn't necessarily scratch. Of course, it is adjustable strap right over here. You can make it tighter if you want to. I wore them yesterday and they were so comfy. I've never had to break in my orange sandals or any Hermes shoes. I think that only happens to people with wide feet, that I've heard that they have to break them in. But for me personally, I've never had to because I have narrow feet, I would say. These are the Hermes Chypre sandals. Again, these are so hard to find. If you can get these, I would say try to go to the store in Madison. They probably have these because I saw a few on display at the store. Of course, I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see. For me, they run true to size. If I had gotten them any bigger, they would not fit me. I'll be swimming in them. I mean, I guess I could have gotten the 6.5. I think my friend had them in orange, but when I was getting them, I knew I wanted them in the black because now I've been wearing a lot more black, and also because I wear a lot of white dresses, especially in the summertime. Also, I feel like I would definitely be breaking this out to wear with my white dresses. I wear something feminine, I want to break them up with something kind of like edgy and more masculine like these. I knew I wanted the black. I did not want to settle for like a color. They come in the shearling. Just keep refreshing the website. They will probably come back in stock. They retail for $710. It's a lot for a dad sandal, but at the same time, compared to the other price of dad sandals on the market, I think this is pretty good. They also do have the one with the strap on it, but I don't think I would like that one. But then again, I think maybe I would. These are growing on me. I think these are just so freaking cool. I am utterly obsessed with these. I'm so obsessed. I also got another item from Hermes. It's not a scarf. I want to get into ready to wear for Hermes, and one area that I've been loving is t-shirts. So simple white t-shirt is probably one of the best things to start from. Last month I saw this t-shirt, I wanted to buy it. They did not have my size on the website, and then I showed them the picture. Boom, they had the t-shirt in my size. Initially I asked for a 38 because I wasn't sure if the 36 would fit me. I don't even know why, because I know I'm a size 36. He got the 38. I'm like, the 38 was way too big for me. But if you want just like a slightly oversized, it would be perfect. I asked them for the 36. They have the 36. I went to try it on. I tried it on and it looks perfection. It looks so good on, and of course I ended up getting this as well. So let's open it so I can show you the t-shirt. I love white t-shirt now. I thought I would invest in a really good one. I invested in the Kate one, which I love, but it's more casual. I wanted something that was a little bit more dressy. I think this one fits the bill. This is a Hermes pocket t-shirt. Let me actually open it so you can actually see what it looks like. Again, it's a simple white t-shirt. Comes in this, like so. It is so beautiful, and I love the fabric because the fabric is dressy. I did try it on, so I have my makeup stain kind of like all over it. As I've said, it's a simple t-shirt, but then again, quality, I don't even have to speak about quality in terms of those items. You already know the quality is there. And what I love about Hermes, even though the detail is just so simple, there's still about like a different detail on everything they make that is so different. I just love this kind of like double stitching that they have in the sleeves right over here. Like, this is such like a cute little detail, but then again, it's just like super simple. And it says Hermes Paris, made in France. I'll leave the link below if you guys want to check it out. Again, I am a size 36 for Hermes clothing. They do have a knit bustier like this that I wanted. But then again, I thought for a piece that you can't even wear on its own, it was pricey for what it was. T-shirt, this is something that I can wear on its own with just multiple pants. But I feel like a knit top or bustier, it's something that I'm always gonna need, like a cardigan or blazer to go over. So that I didn't think it was kind of like worth investing in. The next thing I want from Hermes in terms of ready to wear, it's a wide leg pant, a white shirt. I've seen the some of the white shirts on people. They look absolutely amazing. Again, there's always like this very unique detail about them. I've not been able to see them, I think, on the website because I really want to get like a white shirt because I live in white shirts. I love white shirts. This is the embroidered pocket t-shirt. Is it on the right side? This t-shirt comes in different colors if you want this, and also I found it in different sizes on the website except for the 36. So you can actually go to the Madison store if you are interested in checking this out if you're size 36. But if you are anything above that, I think they have it available on the website. You can actually order it. Like I said, it's a simple t-shirt, but I've just been loving simple t-shirts. This is something that I'm going to get a lot of wear out of. Cannot wait to wear it. So this is it for my Hermes unboxing. I know this is more about the chippers, I don't even know how to say it. Some people say chipper, some people say chip, some people say chipperies. So I guess it doesn't matter at this point, but I'm so happy about my new chipper sandals. I am obsessed with them. I am going to be wearing them almost every day, especially on the days where I am doing casual, something like this. This is what I'm going to be wearing with them. And what I love about them, I just feel like if you were wearing like a suit, you can actually pop this on with like a beautiful suit and you're still good to go. I love it, especially if you work in an industry that is a little bit more lenient in terms of style. I think this is such a great option. Very happy about this purchase. Do let me know if you guys have these chipper sandals, if you've been thinking about them, if you've been eyeing them. What color do you have them in? Do you think I mentioned everything that I needed to? But if I missed something or forgot something, do let me know. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye bye.